Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Out in the yard, cause it's cold, and I've been procrastinating, and putting this off. I need to see if I got anything in these containers. The sweet potatoes. It's like 57 degrees today, so this is the warmest it's been for a little while, and it's gonna go down from here out. And I don't like being outside in the cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if there's anything in this soil with these sweet potatoes. So let me position this camera and see what we got. I got some sweet potatoes because I love them, and so does my granddaughter. So hold on and let's position here. Okay, let's see if I got this camera positioned right so that you can see what I'm doing. Let me look in here. Okay, well you see the potatoes. I just put this tarp down, and what am I gonna do? I don't know. I guess you pull the slips off first. Now inside the potatoes that I planted, they look hollow where the slips are coming from. I'm just gonna pull these slips off. Oh wait. Okay, let's see. Let me see what we got going on. Okay. Yeah, so let me show you. This is really weird. Is that a sweet potato? Sammy Joe, they looking like yours. Look at that. A French fry. Okay. A sweet potato fry. But I want to show you. So that's the potato I planted. So it's hollowed out. I guess it's supposed to do that. I don't know. Do I want these slips to saute? I doubt it. It's not enough. So pull that one out. Here's another one that I planted. Oh, I got French fries, y'all. Okay. So look, there's the potato I planted. Wow. And look at here. They look like carrots. Lord Jesus. Okay. We're going to put them in that thing over there. I don't know if these are worth. Okay, so this is container gardening. I watched Sammy Joe yesterday, day before yesterday, and she had the same thing going on. So I don't know if it's the container. I don't know. I think I only put 3 sweet potatoes in here. That's the biggest one so far. Oh boy. Okay. Interesting. But you know what? They're going to go in the air fryer or something. I'm going to eat them. Well, my grandbaby don't eat them. Those are just roots. That's not really worth it. There's a couple more. This is funny. Okay. So there was one more that I planted. Ooh, I see worms in there. Oh boy. Oh. There's a sliver right there. A doggone root. What in the world? I don't know. So, now let me, hold on. I'm gonna try and turn this soil over. There's worms in here, y'all. Oh, good soil. I don't wanna, I got on gloves. It's heavy and it might break up. Let me see if I could just turn it out. Let's do it that way. See if I got any more sweet potato roots in here. Don't look like it. Is that all I get? Oh boy. I see my mulch and stuff down in there. Oh, this is crazy. I don't know, y'all. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's from the one I planted, I guess. That's a mushed up sweet potato. Interesting. Is there anything else in here? Oh. Okay, there's one. What in the world? Lord Jesus. What is that? Y'all see that? Y'all see the worms? Okay, I got gloves on so I can pick them up. Ew! Ew! You know I'm gonna reuse this dirt. I mean soil, my bad. Oh, there's lots of worms in here. Okay, let me just kind of shake it out. Shake it out. I'm not seeing nothing else. All I got was those few roots. Okay, so this was not a success. Boy, oh boy. Oh, wait a minute. There's something else in there. How'd I have that big old stick in there? I know I put mulch, but hell, you weren't supposed to put no big stick. Okay, I see something else up in there. Oh. It's a longer one. Gee whiz. Okay, sweet potatoes. I'm gonna put them in the ground next year, y'all. I'm gonna put them in the ground. Think I got any more slivers in here? Okay. Oh, those worms got in through the holes that I put. Right. Okay, we're just gonna empty it all out. Empty it all out. Oh, Jesus, a bunch of worms. So what do? Hibernate in the winter? A bunch of roots. I don't think I got nothing else in here. This is gross. This is so gross. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a little one. A little hairy one. Okay. I am tickled. Lord Jesus. What kind of sweet potatoes are these? I don't know. Uh-oh. That's the biggest one. It's an S-curl. Well, would you look at that? What in the world? Look at that S. Okay. They grow any kind of way. This is funny. Funny. So I get rid of the roots, right? Or I just let them go back in the ground. I just let those decompose. I think that's it, y'all. That's a lot of root. And I put it on this tarp so it'll be easier for me to put back into that container. Well, looks like that's the harvest. Wow, that is too funny. Yeah, I ain't got nothing else up in here. I'm sifting some soil. Okay, Mona? I'm sifting some soil. I believe that's it. I ain't gonna sift too much. And I ain't putting that dirt back in there today. Well, not right now, anyway. So let me show you my harvest. Too funny. Right there. How about that? We're gonna do some sweet potato fries, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I pulled these out the other day. I got some onions. Got a few onions. Pulled them out of the soil, out of this white container that I was growing them in right here. So I got a few of those. Let me see. Hold on. I don't want that part. Take that off. That's 3 altogether right there. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 onions. Oh, wait a minute. 8. And that's a batch of small ones. We'll take those in and clean them up and see what we can do with them. And I want y'all to tell me what this is. I have no idea. It was grown in there with the onions. Let me get close. What in the world is this? Okay, so this is what the plant is looking like. But look at the root. Looks like a carrot or something, but I know that's not a carrot. I have no idea what that is. Y'all, somebody tell me. I'm not going to eat it because I didn't plant it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. So I'm going to compost that. All right. That is it. And I think what I'm going to do with my garlic, which is not ready. Let me see if I can angle this. The garlic up there on the wall. Let's see. Can I get it up there? Those 3 trays. 1, 2, and you can't see the bottom one. I think I'm going to take them out of those containers and dig this soil up. Right there. Dig this soil up and put them in the ground. I'm going to do that before it gets too cold and just let them keep growing right there. I believe that's what I'm going to do. So I've got some potatoes too. And they're in a big box that's heavy. So I don't know how I'm going to get those out. Let's go over there and see. Maybe, maybe not. Hold on. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. This is about the best angle I can put this camera at so y'all can see the container. It's too heavy for me to take off of this chair. And I ended up putting all that soil back in that tub so I could use this. But I know I'm not going to be able to tip this over because it's just too heavy. Take the stalks out. Let me see. Let me just see. I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Oh, nope, the chair goes with it. No. So I'm just going to dig down here and see if there are any white potatoes in here. Maybe, maybe not. What the hell is that? That's a rock. How the hell do you get rocks in here? Y'all, okay. Rocks in my soil. So far, nothing. Let me just put the soil on this tarp. See how far down I gotta go. We might not even have white potatoes. Okay, I don't know. Interesting. What the hell? Give me one potato. One potato, two potato, three potato, four. Where get all these rocks in here, man? Nothing so far. What in the world? You've been in here growing all summer. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Okay, there's one. I'm excited. Look at there, look at there. I got a potato. I got a potato. Okay, let's see if there's any more. Okay, one potato, two potato, two potato. What the hell? Oh, we got little potatoes. Okay. Two potato, three potato. Send them there for now. Give me another big one. Oh, I got little potatoes. Four potato, five. Six potato. Come on, give me another big one. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Seven potato. Look, y'all. Look, 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 look. Seven potato. Eight potato. Okay, they down in here, y'all. Another one. Nine potatoes. Oh, some tiny ones. I don't know if these count. That's an itty bitty one. Okay, 10 potato. Oh, Lord, that don't count. I can't count that one. Let me take some more of this soil out. Where we at? 10 potatoes? Okay. And down in here. A rock. More soil out. Oh, wait a minute. That's a little one. You know, I like little potatoes. I roast them. 11 potatoes. Soil out. Uh-oh, I feel something. 12 potato. Oh boy. Rocks. How do all those rocks get in the soil? Oh, we have 12 potatoes. Okay, I'm still digging. Let me take some more soil out. I got a little harvest. Okay. This dirt is good dirt. I mean soil. God doggone it. 13 potato. I know I'm kind of far away, but I'm gonna show y'all the harvest when I get done. 13. Okay, I'm gonna keep digging. See how far down I gotta go. Wait a minute. Let me see. A teeny tiny one. I'll count that as 14. It's edible. Okay, I'm stirring up the soil. I'm not feeling nothing else yet. I'm trying not to take all the soil out because I got to put it back. Oh, that's a rock. Is that? Yeah, that's a rock. Okay, that might be the gist of it. Let me scoop some over here. Enough for a meal for me. You know, I think that's it, y'all. Okay. What is that? Nothing else. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So, let me empty the stuff out of this container so you can see just the white potatoes. That's all, folks. That's all, folks. I got a few. Hey, something is better than nothing. Okay, so let me show you everything I'm harvesting today, because it's almost a wrap. I have, I don't know what kind of tomatoes these are. I have these green tomatoes that are still growing and looking good. You know, I want to take them off before it gets too cold out here. I don't know how long to leave them on, but maybe I'll make some verde, some salsa or something with it. Here's my harvest. Whoop whoop! Something is, my daddy always says, something is better than nothing. Okay, cool beans. I ain't gonna show you tomatoes. That's a wrap. I'm gonna get this dirt, soil. Get this soil back in this container. Leave it for next season. And be done. So peace and love. Thanks for watching. I'm loving this. Can't wait till next season. Oh, but all the little seedlings are starting to come up. I don't know if they're going to last or not because it's getting cold here. The bok choy, the greens, the kale, the Swiss chard that I planted over there on the other side. Interesting. What I got right here? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is this? Let me pull this out of this pot. I don't know. I left it over here to die. What is this, y'all? Little bitty onions? I don't know. I'm going to leave it. I don't have a tag. I don't know what this is. Look like onions, but they got little bitty bulbs. That ain't going to do me no good. I'll leave that out here. Okay. I'm babbling once again. Peace and love. Next time. Okay? Deuces. I'm out. I'm going to range them off before I take them in the house. Get most of this dirt off. See what they're looking like. What's going on? I turned it off. Looking better already. What the hell is that? What is that? A praying mantis? What is that? Looks like a leaf, y'all, but it's, oh shit, shoot, it's some kind of bug. Let me turn this water off. It's trying to psych me out. I don't know what that thing is. Y'all probably can't see it. But anyway, and anywho, there you go. Look at that little harvest. Yeah. Okay, peace and love. I'm out again. I'm gone. Y'all see that little thing right there? It looks like a doggone leaf. Incognito. Look at it. Wow. So it can hide and make you think it's a leaf. Gee whiz, what in the world is that? It's too cold for you. You need to be gone. Go hibernate somewhere. Okay. Sheesh. I don't know what it is. It's not a praying mantis. It's a leaf bug or something.